Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chrysler 300 key fob. First, gather all your existing working key fobs. You'll need at least 2 to begin this process yourself. Make sure your car battery is fully charged for uninterrupted programming. Now, get comfortable in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed before we start the ignition sequence. To enter programming mode, insert your first already programmed key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Keep it there for about 5 to 15 seconds. Then, quickly turn the key to OFF and remove it. This step prepares your vehicle to recognize new key fobs. Next, within 15 seconds of removing the first key, insert your second programmed key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position. After about 10 seconds, you should hear an audible chime and see the immobilizer warning lamp flash. This confirms your vehicle has successfully entered Customer Learn programming mode, ready for new fobs. Finally, within 50 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After about 10 seconds, another chime will sound, and the immobilizer lamp will illuminate for 3 seconds, confirming successful programming. Turn the ignition to OFF and remove the key. Test all your key fobs to ensure they work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.